Good morning and welcome to Protection Relay Mastery channel, a channel dedicated to assist you with your relay configuration using the various protection softwares. So today we just want to talk about SEL relay and the SEL relay. How then do you get the software for the SEL relay? That is what today's section will be about. So if you are new to SEL relays, or your company just procured an SEL relay for you, you need a software. Most of the time, they come in a CD, in a compact disc, in addition to the package of the relay. But assuming you got it from a third party without the compact disc, yes, it's available. The software is free and available on their website that you can be able to download and use it in programming of your relay. So the software is called Accelerator QuickSet. As you can see here, Accelerator QuickSet. So how do you get Accelerator QuickSet? Simply, you go to your browser, you type in SEL relay software. Let's assume you don't know the name of the software, so we just say SEL relay software. So it's going to give you the results. So as you can see here, SEL 5030 Accelerator QuickSet software. It said the software is a tool for engineers and technicians to quickly and easily configure, commission, and manage devices. So you just click on this one and it will take you straight to the website. And this is the software. This is how the software looks like. So straight up, you can just click on the downloads. And it is always advisable to sign up to the company that manufactures the software. That way you have access to all their online support anytime that you require. So as you can see here, there's a note here. It said for express installation that require internet connectivity, see the SEL Compass product page for more information. So this is the software actually that you can use in configuring your relay. But I always advise that if you want to get any SEL software, the best software for you to use is the SEL Compass. And I'll explain. SEL Compass. Let's click on this one to see what the Compass is. So the Compass is a software and file download organization. So SEL Compass provides simple and convenient tools for managing SEL digital content. So anything that you want on SEL relays, softwares, drivers, name them, anything, they have put all of them in this SEL Compass. So I always advise that you download the Compass, because if you download the QuickSet, what it means is that you have to go and download device drivers, because whatever relay you are using, you need the drivers of the relay to be able to connect to. But when you download the QuickSet directly, that one is just giving you the software, and you have to go and be downloading each of the drivers separately. But when you use the Compass and you download the Accelerator QuickSet from the Compass, that makes it easy. It comes automatically with the drivers. So this is one good way for you to get your software, rather than downloading the software individually. When you get the Compass, you can get all your software there. So this is the method that we are here to guide you and teach you about. So you just click on the download Then it's giving you the system requirements. This is the version. The last date was in August. This software was updated in August 2024. So you just click on download, and just as I rightly said, you need to sign up with SEL in order for you to. So if you already have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you just go to create an account and you create it. It is advisable, okay, to use your company email address, corporate email address, private email address, so that you can get all the full access. But when you use the public domains or public emails like Gmail, Hotmail, you have what? Reduced access resource. So using a company specific email address will ensure faster account turnaround and improve access. Even when it comes to approving your account, when you use a company software, a company email address, sorry, you get your account approved very fast, and also you'll be given full access. But when you use the public emails like Gmail, Hotmail, you have a limited access. So your contact details, then you create, and I think you need to wait for 48 hours before you'll be granted the access. So since I already have, I just log in. Then you can start downloading your Compass. It's just 24 MB. So after you are done, you open the Compass and you install the Compass. So as usual, you go ahead from SEL website. Next, you create shortcut on the desktop. Then you run your Compass. So this is how your Compass is going to open. Then as you can see here, install QuickSet for easy management of SEL devices. You just click on this one and it will install the QuickSet for you with all the relevant drivers that you need. So as you can see, it is attempting to retrieve the SEL package data, because everything that you'll be doing here, you need the internet, because it will be connecting to the SEL server to give you all the packages, everything that you need. So as you can see, these are the various drivers that it will be giving you, all of them, the common relays, 751 drivers, name them, all this. So the challenge, as I rightly said, is if you download the QuickSet software directly from the website, you don't have access to these drivers. So you'll be asked to download the drivers for the various relays you want to use. But if you use the Compass, as you can see, it's just going continue, agree, then it's going to download all these guys for you. So you don't need to be downloading them again. So as I rightly said, if you need any products, you come here. If you know which product you are looking for, you just click on it. The application is there. You can select, then you download any application. All the SEL softwares are all here. The QuickSet is also here. So that's that. So now our QuickSet is downloaded. Now let's see how the QuickSet operates. So this is how the logo is. Accelerator QuickSet, and you see the SEL logo there. Okay, so it opens, and as you can see, read, that's you create a new settings, resetting from a connected device if you already have the device connected, which we'll be talking about it in our subsequent videos as to how to read settings from an already existing device and how to create a new settings, how to manage your device, the communication, you manage offline settings, and you update the QuickSet software and the drivers. So after you have gotten this, subsequently, if you want to check whether there are new update to your QuickSet or there are new update of your drivers, you just come here, you click update. You see, this will cause the QuickSet accelerator to close. Would you like to continue? If you say yes, so you see, it's opening the compass to come and prepare, the updates for you. That's why I rightly said that it is very important to download the compass as your software management system. That is where you can get all your softwares, all your updates, all your tools relating to SEL. That is where you can get it from. Alright, so now that we have the SEL software, I believe you have also gotten it on your PC by going through all the steps that we have outlined here. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and we'll ask that you subscribe to this channel so that anytime that we bring any video, you will be the first person to have. Thank you and have a nice day.